How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And today we're hitting the road, but we're going through the heart of Miami. This is 27th Avenue, and to a lot of locals here, it's used very often. And something also that's used here by the locals is the Metro Rail, and that is the tracks that you see to your left of your screen. Then up north, the big cities have subways, but here we don't. And the Metro Rail runs from the east side of Dade County all the way up to the west side. And combined with the Metro Mover and the city buses, you can travel all of Dade County. But that's just for some local information. And now we're heading over a place that you're not gonna see on the movies nor on TV, because this is a special car show being held by a local custom shop here in Miami. Arrived at the location and parked, and now we're walking towards the main entrance. And also notice there were more custom cars coming in, and I would say this is more like the 80s styles customs, that it makes me feel like I'm back in high school or I'm about to film a LA movie. Well, we just walked in through the door, and so far I think this is going to be a pretty interesting show, because I haven't seen cars with hydraulics in a long time. And look at this. What do you guys think about this? And whoa, what do you guys think about pulling up in this stretch limo to your wedding? And this is the first time I see a limo tow truck. Well, those cool stretch cars and super customs, I think they're really cool, but I guess I stick to the old traditional, big rims and jacked up. So I'm gonna ask you guys a question, and we're gonna see if we have more Ford or Chevy fans. Do you guys like this beautiful Ford truck? Or this beautiful Chevy truck? But we're gonna see who wins, Chevy fans or Ford fans. So leave your answer on the comments. That was some really cool SUVs and trucks, but now we're gonna go back, way back in the days. And I don't know about you guys, but I love the way they customize the older cars. But definitely, they got the big horsepower too. And they got hydraulics. And here's a pretty cool old school Lincoln Town Car with a very intricate custom paint job. Now here's something that I think it must have took a lot of time and a lot of work, because every chrome piece that you see in the car is engraved with a design. Well, they give me a choice to choose one of these old school custom cars. It would be really hard because I think all of them look really good. But now we're gonna take a look at the motorcycles for those fans that like them. And I think this one here is the coolest. And let me test you guys, see if you know what type of car this is. Can anybody guess the name of this car? And I think this is awesome how the local community gets together to support a local business and local event. And I'm glad I got invited so I can share with you guys.
Hi, well, first of all, thank you guys for coming out. 30 years celebrating Frank and Reds Miami for 30 years. Right now, so all the old school MIA people, welcome, thank you for coming by. We got a lot of cool stuff. that you can go and check out. And don't forget that we're gonna raffle off the limo caddy and the dually. So grab your tickets, do that before they're all gone. And for all my old school Miami people, I'm gonna take it back to the old days for a little bit so we can do some Miami reminiscing. I go by the name of DJ Laz, the pimp with the limp.
Laz is doing what he does best, is rocking the turntables. And this event kind of reminds me of an event that happens here in Miami every March, and it's Calle Ocho. And hopefully this year we're gonna celebrate it. But now let's go back to the party here at Red's Custom Car Show. And like you can see, people are enjoying the music and having fun.
This is amazing. What a beautiful day outside, first of all. Not a cloud in the sky, and to have this kind of weather out here in the city that we love a whole lot, the MIA, is truly something special. 30-year anniversary for Reds Miami, and this gentleman right here, if it was not for him, there would be no Reds, and there would be a lot of ugly, unhappy people driving trucks, okay? Straight up. So, again, big round of applause for Frank. Congratulations on moving 2 days over. Yo. Damn, we got the popo out here with the damn. Okay.
Come on, show some love. Clap, bro. Make believe they're taking off the top.
Que rico. Oh yeah, again, shout out to Frank and all the sponsors. Everybody's too many to name, but you know who you guys are. Thank you for all your support throughout the years, and for everybody who comes. This is one big family here in Miami, and Frank at Reds is a huge part of that. So again, thank you so much. Enjoy, papito.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And also, it was a great pleasure meeting you guys that watch the channel here at this local event. And if it's your first time watching the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications, like that you won't miss no more videos like this, or maybe we're out in the water, because you already know the spring is around the corner and the water starts to get hot. And definitely this year we're gonna have some fun in the sun, and you guys are coming along for the ride. And remember, always to check the community posts or follow us on Instagram for local events like this. And also, I would like to thank those people that play Sandbar Live and tag us on the video.